Welcome to our Latttice How-To guide. In this video demonstration, we will walk you through creating a structured data product with fine-grained access controls applied to a column. Starting on Lattice Pinboard, select Create a Structured Data Product. On the Create New Data Product page, define your data product by giving it a name. A description, describing the purpose and content of the data product. In the natural language query input bar, outline the data product so the AI knows what to construct. Be specific about data sources and requirements, mentioning database names, table types, or data categories. Then select Generate. Copilot creates your data product structure. In this case, instead of accepting the recommendations, we continue to manual selection. Then select the tables to be added. Then select the columns to be added. Then select Configure Access. Copilot will then start constructing your data product with the extra tables and columns as requested. Select Preview Data, and then load the data for review. Once reviewed, select Fine-Grained Access to add controls at a column level. Then add FGA controls based on user access. Then you can once again select Preview Data and load Preview to review that data with FGA controls applied. Then scroll down and select Preview and Finalize. While waiting for the data to load, you can start finalizing the structure of your data product, like name, security, a description, add tags, and helpful hints. All things that will make your data product recognizable and trustworthy. Then select Create a Data Product, and your finalized data product is published to the Pinboard, your data product marketplace, to explore, use, and share.